All right, we are joined with Erin back at the desk on this Monday. It's nice to know that we have a great day on deck because I know everyone's tired of it, but yesterday was like not just the rain we've been experiencing. It was like, let's take every rainy day we've had and dump it on them all at once. Like
all at once.
Kick them while they're down.
I mean, yeah, we just got washed out yesterday of a day.
I know.
It's
Gray start to finish.
Yeah, literally.
Yeah.
There was not a single break that made it a little bit nicer. Now, if it feels rainy this month, everybody, it really has been. I mean, last month we had quite a bit of rain almost every single day. This month so far, we've had more sunshine, but we've gotten a lot more downpours when we've got that rain. We got about 5 inches in Portland, the rest of us in Augusta and Bangor, around 3.5, but all of us sitting well above where we should be for this time of year as far as your rain is concerned. So definitely getting quite a bit. Now, luckily for right now, most of the state not seeing anything. We saw some earlier this morning and yesterday. It's since moved off to our east. Maybe a little bit of mist around the state, but for the most part, we're kind of done with it. Over in the southwest, it is quite hot right now. We've been talking about it, almost 100 degrees in Phoenix to start off their morning. Here in Portland, here in Maine, we all have it a little bit less. It's going to be around 70 degrees, and we're all seeing that general story. So go through your morning, we notice the rain's off to our east. Western Maine starts to get some sun first. And then the rest of us, as this moves through west to east, we'll start to see it clearing out a bit more. So we'll have some sunshine coming back in the second half of your day. All of us living over in the foothills and into central Maine could see a few pop-up showers as you go into the second half, but I wouldn't expect to see much of any rain for most of us here today. Continuing into your morning for Tuesday, we're going to have some fog popping back into the forecast once again. We're going to have some more clouds also building in pretty quickly through your morning, so we can expect a mostly cloudy day, but we're also going to have some showers and storms popping back in. A lot of these are tending to stay off towards the border with Canada, but they will have some heavy rain and torrential downpours, even a bit windy at times as these continue to move through. That continues overnight into Wednesday morning. They kind of make their way down east a bit more, but they tend to fall apart for the most part before they get to that area. By Wednesday, more sunshine back in the forecast, so a pretty nice day there as well. But we will still have the opportunity for a few pop-up storms as we head into your afternoon. Just kind of tends to happen when you have the heat and humidity like we have. Rainfall totals for Tuesday, though, we're expecting those heavier downpours, like I said, right along the border with Canada, about 1.5 inches for many people, but if you get a storm over, you could get more than that locally. Most of the state really not getting a good portion of that rain whatsoever. One thing we will all start to get here, though, as we get into your day on Wednesday, you'll notice it's going to be a bit hazier because we will have some wildfire smoke moving back into the forecast. Much of the mid-Atlantic and like Vermont west is actually under an air quality warning right now. Not for us though today. We're gonna have some smoke moving in here as we get to your day on Wednesday. What's gonna happen then on Thursday, the following day, is we're gonna have dew points, so that's your humidity dropping quite a bit more. So you'll see this on a decline here over the next few days. Thursday, still not perfect, but we're going to have a much less humid day on deck, so it should be pretty nice in that regard, something we haven't really seen too recently. Your marine forecast, seas are at 4 to 5 feet for your day today. Winds are to the south, gusts up to 20 knots on the water, and there's a small craft advisory that will expire around 8 a.m. this morning. So pretty decent day coming up. Feels like temperatures, though, are going to be a lot warmer than this. They'll creep up near 90, so you want to make sure you drink some water and put on some sunscreen if you're heading outside today. I feel like a lot of us will be, especially after how yesterday was. Those storms pop in tomorrow, but as we look midweek, not too bad. We're going to have those couple pop-up showers possible, but we'll have it getting a little sunnier, a little bit less humid in the forecast on Thursday. Not too bad overall. I mean, we're getting there slowly but surely. Along the coastline, probably a little bit more sunshine on your Wednesday, but overall, pretty good forecast coming up, especially considering where we were.
Yeah, we are getting there finally.
I know, and a lot of places where they're still picking up kind of the damage that we did have, it's nice to have some weather that they can actually do that in and make some progress.
Desperately need a break.
Yeah, exactly.
So we're getting it for a little while.
All right, thanks, Erin.